Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are looking to streamline your Azure machine learning setup with CLI Fusion 2, you are come to the right place. In today's videos, I will show you how to create a workspace in Azure machine learning using CLI Fusion 2. In last video, we tried to create the workspace, as you can see here, workspace Demo01 via the manually via the Azure components. And just let recap this. If you see here, you can create resource or maybe go to as machine learning, Azure machine learning, and you can see here create a new workspace. But this I already covered in the last video. But today I will try to show you how to do it with the command lines. And this command lines is, let's say, the basic of the Azure machine learning, of the Azure DevOps if we need to apply it for the in via the pipelines. And today I will walk you through the command AZML workspace create this command and show a few extra steps to manage your workspace efficiently. So grab your terminal and let's get started. And if you don't have a terminal, you can also use this terminal here. If you see Cloud Shell, just click this and you can get a terminal here. But in my case, I will try to use it in my PC. And this is my terminal here. I will try to. You can open it in any directory. This is, I mean, it's not restricted to be in a such directory, for instance, in a COD or in your project. This is you don't need to take care of the directories. So first of all, you need to make sure that you already logged in Azure CLI. So what you can see is type this easy login. But because I already logged in, it's just wasting time. But try to use this command and it will be fine. Let me just show you the descriptions that I have already written. And you can see here, of course, you need to add download the MLI machine learning extension. But this is already covered in the previous video. So if you already follow this the series or playlist, so you won't get stuck in any of these commands. And as you can see here, the first step you need to be logged in this account, and the second one is if sometimes you have many subscriptions, and for this you need to make sure that you are using the right subscriptions. But someone will say, where should I find my subscription ID? So as already covered, but I will just also to show you. So you can see this is my subscription. Pay as you go, and you can see in the overview the subscription ID, this one here. So just try to assign this. I mean, set easy account set and put your ID. And now how to create the the workspace. As I said in the previous video, a workspace it's need we need also to create a resource group. So resource group it's just like an umbrella, and this workspace and other components like compute instance, cluster instance, data, it's uh, under this umbrella. So first step you need to create Azure resource group. With this command, of course, I already covered this in the last video, but this is only to give you a complete workspace overview. So now, because I already have a workspace, as you can see, let me go to resource groups, and you can see here I have resource group CLI and resource group Demo01. So I will try to use this one here. Now, if you have, let's assume that you already create a resource group. If you didn't have it, you have to create to use this command here. But for me, I will try to use this. I have to update it here. So, and your resource group, I don't know what you mean, what you want to see to call this, but let me just call this workspace CLI 01. It means created by CLI demo CLI 01. And also the name of of the no, sorry, this is not the right command. This one here, right, just the workspace, just this is the name of the workspace as we saw in the Azure Studio. Now, this is my workspace name, and this is the resource and the location. Also, try to, I mean, the location has to be identical to the resource group. But someone will ask, how can I know where's the location of the SUS? So let me just show you here. We are now in the resource groups, and you can see this resource group demo. It's in Est USA. Then the workspace has to be in the same region. And if I just copy this, I try to make it more organized so you can follow. So let me just paste this command, click enter. Seems it needs sometimes. The good thing and you can see request was accepted. Now it's creating data storage and application insight and key fault. So as I described, as I said in the last video, when you create a resource group, I will go back to the website, the Azure, and you can see workspace. And if you see when I create a workspace, it created also. I will go to the resource. It's in machine learning. No, data storage. Let's see. Storage account. And you can see the I have created this manually, and this stuff here is created automatically if it's not defined, and that's why we have here this one here creating storage account, activities, workspace, application inside. This will be created automatically. Let me go back and refresh, so you can see here it's not here or the workspace, but if you go refresh again. hmm, it's only takes some time. Let's see machine learning. Okay, it's ODE. If you click Azure Machine Learning, you can see it. You can find it here, and you can see this is the name of our workspace. This is the resource group, and this is the type, the location, and the subscription. This is how to create workspace with command line. Let's see. Now there are some other commands. I see it. Let's see. It's important. But for instance, here you can create a resource group with all available parameters. This is all the parameters. By the way, to see the parameters, let me just show you. Copy this and go to the terminal. I will clear this and type help. And in here you can see what are the required parameters, what are the optional, and etc. and you can see here the machine learning workspace. This is a description and the required parameters. I can see the required parameters. Okay. Indeed, no idea what was happening. A storage account. And you can see here, this is how to create it with the YAML file. But it should give us the parameters. I can see it here, indeed. But you can also copy and in the Google, and I think it should give us a documentation. Yeah, you can see this is the workspace. How to create a workspace. This is all commands of related to the workspace, and you can see here allowed the name and workspace with the workspace. Yeah, resource workspace. And I think this is how to create a workspace via CLI. But there also, as I said, some commands line, which is I don't know. It's let's say important. For instance, you need to show what are the workspace. Show the workspace that is in resource group here. And let me just copy this. I think this is the same commands, yeah. But we don't need this because there's no other parameters. So let me run this command and see. It gives you information about this workspace. This one, workspace demo CLI 01. It's as I say a JSON file. And sometimes you need to retrieve all the workspaces in one resource group. So for instance, I think I have two resource groups in this workspace. Resource group, sorry. Let me see how many workspaces in the resource group. You can see resource group demo 01 and the other one resource group 01. That's only one. Okay, the other one is assigned to another two different resource group. Then sometimes let's say you need to update the workspace. Might be the description here. You need to update the description. Just add some stuff. And let's say the next is you need to remove or delete the workspace. It's not required anymore. Just put the name of the workspace, the resource group, and you can add here yes, because if there's no yes, it will ask you, do you would like to delete this, and you have to hit Y letter. But this is already here. And I think this is the important, let's see, commands for the creating workspace via CLI. Okay, I will see you in the next videos. Thanks for watching.